Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today's recipe is a super cool drink. We all love to have this caramel frappuccino whenever we go to Cafe Coffee Day or Starbucks, but it is so easy to make at home. So let's start with caramel sauce. Into a pan, add in some sugar and water. Let the sugar get melted and caramelize the syrup. After some time, you can see it is turning its color into a light golden shade. We need a bit more darker color, but be careful, don't burn it. Once it reaches the perfect color, add in fresh cream and mix it. Add some butter. Mix it really well, and with the heat, the butter will also get melted. Our caramel sauce is ready. Keep it aside and allow it to cool down. Meanwhile, let's whip up some cream. Into a large bowl, add in some chilled cream and blend it. Once it reaches into a stiff peak, add in the caramel sauce, some strong coffee, and melted white chocolate. Then immediately start blending it. This caramel whipped cream tastes much better than a simple whipped cream in a frappuccino. Now to make the drink, add ice cubes into a blender. Pour in some milk, some sugar, some strong coffee, caramel sauce, and blend it. Our frappuccino drink is ready. Now let's assemble it all together in a tall glass. First, let's pour in some caramel sauce. You can mix the caramel sauce with some warm milk to make it liquidy. Pipe in the first layer of whipping cream. Then pour the caramel drink. Add more whipping cream on top. Then drizzle it with some caramel sauce. There it is, our delicious caramel frappuccino is ready. And whenever we make anything with whipping cream, we always face a problem with leftover whipped cream. We really don't know what to do with that. But here is a trick. You can store that in an airtight freezer safe container. And in this recipe, you can add more caramel sauce into this whipping cream. And freeze it overnight. Next day, you can enjoy the delicious caramel ice cream. So I hope you enjoyed both the recipes and do try it out. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and watch more interesting and unique recipes from our channel. Thank you.